So microplastics are becoming more and more researched in our environment, and we're finding that they're coming from a variety of sources, including scrubs for our washers and plastic that's been released into the environment and is then breaking up into smaller pieces. But one of the most preventable types of microplastics is plastic resin pellets, and they're actually the raw form of plastic. So if you're going to manufacture a product, you would buy plastic resin pellet and then blow mold it into whatever product that you want. So why is this raw plastic being found in our environment, on our beaches and along our river systems? And that question's answered because we're releasing it in the processing part of our manufacturing or during transportation. Operation Clean Sweep is a program that we've brought over from America. It was developed by the US plastics industry, and it looks at all the ways that factories and transportation systems can actually reduce the loss of pellets into the environment. Most of the time it has to do with things like good housekeeping, using a vacuum cleaner instead of a hose at the end of the day, and cleaning up spills as they happen. This all prevents these little beads of plastic entering the stormwater system and then ultimately into our oceans. Plastic resin pellets can then sorb up toxins once they're in the environment, and because they look like fish eggs, they'll be ingested by any wildlife that would normally eat a fish egg. Operation Clean Sweep has now been brought to Australia. It's been reviewed by the plastics industry to make sure that the terminology and the infrastructure, the wording and legislation is all relevant to Australian industry. You can download the manual and the checklist from the website, and we're asking companies who really care about the environment to take the pledge and adopt Operation Clean Sweep into their factories. Not only do you look after the environment, it also means you're losing less resource. And in the US, they've actually seen a 30% reduction in OH&S claims because less people are slipping over, so you're making a safer workplace. We'd like all factories across Australia to join us in Operation Clean Sweep, and you can get more information by going to www.opcleansweep.org.au.